Okay, hi students, this is Mr. Ivan. Alright, received a question from a student last night about this question. And he is in Sec 4, so like I say in my previous video, a lot of students forgot how to do interior angle and exterior question when it comes up again in Sec 4. Okay, so number one, the interior angle of a hexagon. Hexagon, how many shapes are there? How many sides are there? There are 6 sides. Alright, so if you have 6 sides, means you have 6 interior angles and 6 exterior angle. Alright, again, let's revise. The sum of interior angle formula is equals to n minus 2 times 180 degree. Okay, so there are 6 angles over here. Okay, so how do we approach this question? Let's present sum of interior angle is equals to 6 minus 2 times 180 degree, because why? There are 6 sides in a hexagon. Alright, so I'll have 4 times 180 degree, which is equals to 720 degree. So the sum of all the interior angle works out to be 720 degree. Okay, and they gave you the 6 interior angles. Okay, so you can have 2x plus 17 plus 3x minus 4 plus 2x plus 49 plus x plus 40 plus x minus 17 plus 3x minus 25, and it will all work out to 720. Okay, so let's all add the x together. 2 plus 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, and then 12. So I have 12x. Alright, then I will have 17 minus 4 plus 49 plus 40 minus 17 minus 25, and I will get plus 60. Alright, sorry for the glitch. Plus 60, and this will give you 720, which means that 12x is equals to 660. Okay, and then subsequently x is equals to 55. Okay, 55 degree. So this is how we find x. Okay, so but they do not want x, they want the smallest in exterior angle. So this is a very tricky question, because again, number 2, let me remind you that the exterior angle, so let's say this is a hexagon. Okay, the exterior angle is not this is not the exterior angle, not the exterior angle. Okay, now this is an interior angle. Okay, so if I draw a dotted line like that, this will give me the exterior angle. Okay, so how do I get the smallest exterior angle? To get the, now in this case, they didn't say that hexagon is regular. So remember, another tricky part of the question is when it is regular, then you can say that all the angles are equal, but in this case it's not regular. So to get the smallest exterior angle, okay, you must find the largest or biggest interior angle. Okay, so which is the biggest interior angle here? We have 2x plus 17, that is definitely in contention. We also have 3x minus 4, which is in contention, even though it's a minus. Okay, so be careful about that. Alright, and we have 2x plus 49. Okay, so using your calculator, you already know that x is 55, so 2 times 55 plus 49. So that should be, this will give you 159. Okay, but 3 times 59 minus 4 would give you 161. So be very careful, even though it's a 3x or minus 4, it actually still gives you the largest interior angle. Okay, so we write down the largest interior angle is equals to 3 bracket 55 minus 4, that will give me 161 degree. Alright, so the smallest exterior angle is equals to 100, the complementary of 161. Okay, and that would be 19 degrees. Okay, so remember, a lot of students forget this n minus 2 times 180 degree. N minus 2 times 180 degree. This is the sum of interior angles formula that you have to know, okay, when you approach Sec 4. even though it is done in Sec 1. Okay, next, alright, next is actually a Sec 3 question. So for those of you Sec 1, you can pause the video already. Okay, we will look at the next part, which is actually a Sec 3 question. Okay, the areas of two similar. The keyword to this question is similar. So what topic is this? Area of similar figures. Alright, so let's talk about the concept again. So concept number one, A1 over A2 is equals to L1 over L2 to square. Okay, so they tell you that the length of it is x and 7. Now they tell you there are two possible values. Now why are there two possible values? I can foresee that if the question did not ask for two possible values, right, most students would just stop at this. Okay, they will say that, oh, okay, x over 7 bracket square would give you equals to 25 over 576. Okay, because A1 over, because this is the property of similar figures, area of similar figures. Alright, so I will have x squared over 49 is equals to 25 over 576 times. Okay, so I will have x squared equals to, okay, 25 over 576 times 49. I will get, okay, 1225 over 576. So x is equals to 35 over 24, which is equals to approximately 1.46 cm. Okay, so this is one possibility. Now where does the next possibility comes? The next possibility is, now in this first part of the question, we assume that x is a smaller, is the side of the smaller octagon. But what if it is a side of the bigger octagon? So that's the second part, where you have 7 over x bracket square is equals to, same thing, 25 over 576. Okay, so I will have 49 over x square is equals to 25 over 576. So which means x square is equals to 576 over 25 times 49. Alright, and I will have, okay, 576 over 25 times 49, I will have 28224 over 25, and x is equals to, square root of the answer will be equals to 168 over 5, which is equals to 33.6 cm. Okay, so the answers, there are two possibilities. One is 1.46 if x belongs to the small octagon, or if x belongs to a bigger octagon is 33.6 cm. Okay, and this is a very simple question for area of similar figures.